They're Korea vans, boat style.
What's up, fam? We've been walking for like 20 minutes. We made it to the famous. Heaps of walking, eh, George? Georgie's Google Maps. One's a game playing tricks. But it's nice, look.
It's beautiful.
Wicked! Hey team, we've made it to Slovenia. Took a couple hours from Venice, and it's about 20 degrees colder.
So cold, and we're at the Pradjama Castle.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Take a look.
There's the famous Lake Bled Castle and the Lake Bled. We're gonna head on over there now.
Yeah.
Get off the grass, George.
Look at him, he's an absolute menace.
This is how people do it.